What's one?
What's the... Okay, I got this.
With so much drama in the LBC, it's kind of hard being Sam and Chelsea.
Yeah, it is hard. Cheers to that. Oh, man. Okay, back to my channel. I'm Sam Alexandria, for those that don't know. Also known as Samantha. I'm here with one of my best friends, Chelsea, Chelsmeow, and today you guys are gonna get ready with this. Disclaimer, we're not makeup artists, so we're not professionals.
I am.
Okay, I'm not a professional. Don't take what I say to heart, but...
Take everything I say to heart, and if you're not doing it like that, figure it out.
God bless. First, I'm gonna start off with this ghetto-ass primer. I use e.l.f. and it's like $6. Bitch, get you some.
Mineral Veil, Hourglass, something like that. I don't know.
It's lit.
I found this out on a limb.
I think sometimes I like mix my two foundations, or I just wear the NARS one. So I'm gonna wear the NARS All Day Luminous Weightless Foundation, and my color is Masao, something like that. I don't know if it's focusing. Exactly. What? And I'm using the Real Technique sponge. This is my second time using it, and honestly, I should have just got a beauty blender, but we'll see. We'll see. This is only the second time, so God bless.
Double Wear and Tawny. 20 years later, I'm still using this.
Hey, Double Wear is lit though. Like, honestly, it's the truth.
It doesn't want to focus, but it's fine.
Hey, they know what it is.
Watch me become a new bitch.
Seriously, the transformation is about to be so real. Yeah, that was way better. Okay, now I'm gonna do my eyebrows, which is gonna be a very interesting task because I don't really have a mirror like that. I use this NYX lip liner in dark brown. It's magic. So, just brush them out really quick. This is just a normal eyebrow brush, maybe very, very lightly, hair-like strokes. And I have to remind people, because I had to remind myself, that your eyebrows aren't twin sisters, but mine are distant cousins. Very different.
They're real sisters. I think I had too much wine.
Same. I definitely usually do my brows first, then my foundation, but a couple wine glasses in and this will do it to you. You'll forget your own makeup routine. It's weird.
Did you know that I was a panda?
Shut up.
For a long wear.
Classic.
NC20. Your skin is
That should be okay. You can do the other brow now. And don't worry if it's like messy right now, because we're gonna clean it up with concealer. So the concealer I'm using is LA Girl Pro Conceal in the color Pure Beige. Oh, you can't even see because it has the plastic. Super cheap and super lit. I literally just start like usually right here and clean first the half, and then I'll go to the other side. It's kind of complicated, but you'll get the hang of it once you start doing it more.
So you have Fixed Powder Foundation, NC30. Everyone knows about it, so I don't need to explain.
Boom. And I use it as an eyeshadow base, so I just bring it all the way down. And I use the cap to like kind of control the amount of product I want. I look crazy, but I'm gonna blend it out in just a second here.
Just so I don't look so freaking shiny.
Sometimes I like to conceal the top part of my brows, but only when I'm in the mood to like blend.
Yeah,
like,
you told me I would look like a cutout if I did that.
Yeah, like it would be like, what is it? Halo brows, like eagles on your face. I don't know, something very bad that you don't want. So I try not to do it unless I'm like in the mood to do that. So I'm just gonna blend this out. And once again, I'm using the Real Techniques beauty sponge. Yeah.
So this is an attempt to make my nose smaller. I don't do this normally, but
your nose is already like contoured naturally, so
that's weird.
That's a plus.
I always feel like when I do this, I'm gonna be like on the Cat's Play, like you know, like I'm drawing a cat nose. See, color in the tip.
Broadway, catch us on Broadway. So I like to do my eyeshadow first, and then like go in and clean it up with like concealer and everything, just because I feel like I have a lot of fallout and I get kind of messy. Do it.
I know I'm drunk because my nose is on the side. God damn it. Look at my nose on the right side. Okay, so when you have the biggest eyebrows in, well, I guess Southern California now, lotion. Like the balas monastar. Okay.
Oh, let me put my phone on silent. I use the Shade and Light palette by Kat Von D. I don't know what these eyeshadows are called because this palette's so old that all of the things are like rubbed off. So God bless. First, I'm gonna take number MAC 224 blending brush. This shade. Oh, moment of silence for my broken nail. I take this shade right here. Oops. It looks so white right there. It's not really that white, I promise. Put it under my brow bone.
Yeah.
Okay, next I'm gonna take, with the same brush, I'm gonna take this color right here. And I'm just gonna go right under, like kind of before the crease, but right under the brow bone.
Nah.
So next, I'm gonna take this like rusty-ish color. Obviously, it's one of my favorites. Hit pan a long time ago. So this is gonna go also like in the crease, but like right above as well. Getting that like sunset effect. So excited to edit this and post tomorrow morning. I'm gonna go back in with that orange E color right here, the creamsy color. I'm gonna blend this part out. So next I'm taking this color and the BH Cosmetics. She's mad because the camera died or I didn't press record. And it's in the Carly Bible BH Cosmetics palette. And I'm just going in my crease. I already did it a little bit with this eye. And Chelsea's been bronzing up her face.
I'm just shrinking my forehead, shrinking my chin. Talking about how I like the Hoola bronzer from Benefit, but my mom stole that shit back, so.
Moms, they be like that. I'm gonna go back in with this palette and get that rust color again. And like kind of like blend out
what am I gonna do
just a little bit more. Next, I'm gonna go in with this brown shade right next to the rust color. Same brush. And I'm gonna go like kind of like in this inner corner area and like deep crease. You do that?
I've been doing that.
Chelsea's wine glass is like almost gone. Oh, by the way, we drink wine out of champagne flutes for fun. So next, I'm going to clean up. Like, I'm gonna do like a soft cut crease. LA Girls Pro Concealer again. Okay, so I'm just gonna cut my crease a little bit with this concealer. My fucking mouth is always open, I can't. Okay, I think it was you and your mom that I learned that from. Was like using receipt. Yeah, something like that. Okay. So I'm gonna take the Lorac Unzipped palette. Classic. And I'm gonna take the shade Unbelievable. So I already like kind of like slightly cut the crease, nothing major. Just taking one of these BH Cosmetics brushes, flat shader brush. I'm gonna put this right on top of the concealer that I put there. And kind of like blend it a little bit more. I'm gonna go in and just take that same brush and kind of just, with like the remainder of the product that I had on there, and sweep over it. Because I don't want too much of a cut crease, just a little bit.
It must be the flat.
Unbrighted. And kind of just go over that right there. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with the other eye, do the same thing on that side with the concealer, cut the crease a little bit. So I'm gonna let this dry just a little bit, get a little tacky. In the meantime, you know, sip up. I'm hungry. Stay hydrated.
Refill. Mama said stop fucking shit up in there.
Okay, so I'm gonna go back again on this eye with Unbelievable from Lorac Unzipped. Right on top of the concealer. MAC blending brush and just kind of soften it up a little bit. So with the same concealer, I'm just gonna, literally, gonna clean up underneath and conceal under my eyes. Like I have like angel wings under my eyes. Fly away. Go down the bridge of my nose. Hit up the forehead a little bit. Gotta do the Cupid's bow. If there's anything I could change about my face besides my nose, Cupid's bow. I want the Rihanna bow. And I'm gonna blend it all out with the sponge. Oh yeah, if he stayed away. I'm gonna set my concealer with this Laura Mercier powder my mom gave me. It's in a Bare Minerals container, but bear with me. Anyways, it's in like the deep brown color. This shit's magic. Dip my sponge in it a little bit. And set my under eye. And I'm not much of a baker, but I let it sit for just a second.
Don't bake, your shit gonna crack.
Exactly. And my shit gonna crack. So, I'm gonna take this small tapered brush from e.l.f. and dust it off. Next up, I'm gonna contour, and I say contour because I don't do too much, but I use this e.l.f. like finishing powder in deep.
Uh-oh.
And this e.l.f. complexion brush. Dab, 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 dab.
I need to grab some help over here.
And then I just contour my cheeks a little bit. And then I'm gonna hit it with the chin area. Down my neck a little bit. Forehead. I'm gonna take my Studio Fix powder in NW45. Set my whole face. I almost forgot. I like to set my like smile lines with the Laura Mercier powder because I don't like it creasing. So I'm gonna take a little bit on the sponge, put it there.
I can feel the wave.
And kind of like blend it in a little bit. Then I'm gonna go back in with my MAC Studio Fix powder and just smooth it out.
Wow. Whoa.
So I'm gonna take this Too Faced Pretty Rebel palette in the shade Girly. Kind of reminds me of like MAC's blue brown color. Go under my eye with that. Just very like almost lining it.
I got big plans.
So the camera overheated and we took an intermission and got some snacks.
And Sam made me meet the new neighbors.
This is like Magic Mike, but the girl
Your
version.
face almost made me choke.
Duo glue.
Look at.
I'm gonna have to do my eyelashes off camera because this is way too hard. Oh. Time to highlight, ho. So first, I like to take this highlighter out of the Carly Bible palette, like the golden shade, and this tapered brush. Ooh. Highlight the cheek. Very lightly so it doesn't go on too crazily. Bridge of my nose. Up here. Cupid's bow. And I just remembered that I forgot to almost contour my nose a little bit. Powder I used earlier. Put in the product and just get right here. So over that highlighter, I like to put this Master Chrome Maybelline and Molten Gold, sorry. Use the same brush.
Oh, okay.
Woo, boy! When your highlighter is so blinding, you gotta put the glasses on. Now I'm gonna put my blush on. I'm using this old ass MAC from the Surf Baby collection.
Whoa.
It's called My Paradise. Alright, I'm gonna go over my lashes with this ghetto mascara I have. Just blend them up together real quick. Hit up the bottom lashes. My partner is taking a photo shoot over there. Now I'm gonna take out my mole with a Q-tip and some lotion.
Remember?
And I have a little one on my nose as well that I take off.
We did a bad Gail thing.
I need to do my lips next. Mahogany NYX lip liner. My favorite. Next I'm going to take this NYX lip cream in the color Con. Just put it in the middle. And over that, I'm going to take my true, trusty little ghetto beauty supply lip gloss. Clear lip gloss. It's MAC's. And that's it. We're done. This is the final look. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to share. Alright guys, we're out, jabish.